All right. So for equivalent ratios in our Google Slides presentations, it tells you to drag each of the ratios to the blue box that has an equivalent ratio. So we have 3/5 or 3:5. So we need to look and see which ones have numerators that 3 can go into and denominators that 5 can go into. So the first thing we need to do is I would look for the denominators. And if the denominator, the number below the line, ends in a 0 or a 5, we know 5 can go into it. So if we look at our different equations here, we see that 27/45 or 27 to 45. Well, 5 can go into 45 9 times. So then the question is, can 3 go into 27? And 3 does go into 27, and that is also 9 times. So if you multiply 9 times 3 and 9 times 5, you will get 27/45. So we click on that box and then we move it to that place. So then we can move on to 7 to 8. And if you look, we can look and see. We know that 8 can't go into 13. So we know that one's out. Can 8 go into 81? No. Can 8 go into 16? Yes. 8 can go into 16 2 times. But does 7 go into 64 2 times? And that is a no. So then we can look at 8. Can it go into 64? So what are our numbers for 8? So if we look at our times table, and if we have 8 times 6, one thing we could do is actually go and find a times table or a multiplication chart. And if you go to images, so here's a multiplication chart we can look at. And if we look at our 8s, 8 goes into 64 8 times. 8 also goes into 56 7 times. And we did have that right here. So 8 times 8 is 64. 7 times 8 is 56. So that one would move here. You keep going through till you figure out where all of these go. All right. I hope that helps. Thank you.